Element 3D by Video Copilot. Element 3D is a powerful 3D rendering and animation plugin designed specifically for Adobe After Effects. Developed by Video Copilot, this software bridges the gap between 2D composition and 3D modeling, enabling motion graphics artists, VFX creators, and designers to integrate 3D elements seamlessly into their projects. Its intuitive interface and robust feature set make it an indispensable tool for both beginners and seasoned professionals in the motion design industry. One of the standout features of Element 3D is its ability to render 3D objects in real time within After Effects. Unlike traditional workflows that require exporting projects to external 3D programs, Element 3D simplifies the process by allowing direct import of 3D models and textures. This capability not only saves time but also ensures a cohesive creative experience. Artists can add lighting, shadows, reflections, and even advanced texture mapping, all without leaving After Effects. The plugin supports a wide range of formats, including OBJ and C4D files, making it compatible with most 3D modeling software. Element 3D also features an extensive materials library, offering a variety of pre-designed textures and environments. This library is highly customizable, allowing users to tweak materials and create unique designs. Additionally, its particle replicator and animation engine enable the creation of dynamic effects, such as scattering, clustering, and organic motion. Performance is another area where Element 3D excels. Designed to leverage the power of GPU acceleration, the plugin ensures smooth operation even when handling complex scenes. Its efficient rendering engine makes it possible to work on high-resolution projects with minimal lag, which is particularly beneficial for professionals working on tight deadlines. In conclusion, Element 3D stands out as a game changer in the realm of 3D motion design. By offering a seamless integration of 3D tools into After Effects, it empowers creators to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. Whether you're crafting cinematic titles, intricate VFX shots, or stunning motion graphics, Element 3D provides the versatility and performance needed to bring your visions to life.